Understanding the polite offer. Can I walk you home? Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a common, yet meaningful phrase. Can I walk you home? This simple question carries a lot of cultural and social nuances. Understanding it can help you navigate English-speaking environments with more confidence. Let's explore what this phrase means, when to use it, and the implications it might have. At its core, "Can I walk you home?" is a polite offer for one person to accompany another on their walk home. This question is often used to express concern for the other person's safety or to enjoy more time together. It's a way of saying, "I care about you," or "I want to make sure you get home safely." While the phrase is straightforward, its use can vary greatly depending on the context and culture. In many English-speaking countries, offering to walk someone home is seen as a gesture of kindness and protection. It's especially common in dating scenarios, among friends, or in situations where one person wants to ensure the other's safety late at night. However, it's important to be aware of the social cues and the relationship between the people involved. In some cases, asking this question might be interpreted as too forward or presumptuous, especially if the individuals don't know each other well. Timing and tone are crucial when using this phrase. It's best used when you have established a friendly or close relationship with the person. Ensure that your offer comes off as genuine and considerate, rather than imposing. 1. In a friendly tone, make it clear that your offer is out of concern or friendship. 2. With respect for the other's decision, always be prepared to accept a no gracefully. It's essential to respect the other person's comfort and decision. "Can I walk you home?" is more than just an offer to accompany someone. It's a gesture of care, concern, and connection. Understanding the depth and appropriateness of this phrase can help you navigate social interactions more effectively in English-speaking contexts. We hope this video has illuminated the nuances of this polite offer. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language, and thank you for watching.